The era of dependency is over. The phone calls from Washington are no longer being answered. Saudi Arabia was standing alone. For 50 years, they trusted Washington to keep the peace in the Middle East. But the world changed. The phone stopped ringing. The promises started to fade. Riyadh realized a scary truth. They needed a new shield, a new leader, a new plan. Saudi Arabia decided to stop looking across the ocean. They chose to look at home. They said no to the US. No using our land to attack Iran. They were done being a staging ground. They were taking back their power. In the shadows, a plan was born. A new kind of God. One built, one shared culture. Last September, a secret paper was signed. That was the Strategic Mutual Defense Pact. It linked Saudi Arabia directly to Islamabad. The rule is simple and absolute. An attack on one is an attack on both. No more waiting for a distant power for a great power. The new shield was homegrown. But Saudi Arabia needed weight. They needed a weapon. The word fears. Pakistan has the weapon. By joining with Pakistan, the only Muslim country with the nuclear bomb, Saudi Arabia gained strategic depth, a nuclear shield without building a single weapon of its own. This homegrown firewall was just the prototype for a growing green NATO, a quadruple alliance including Egypt and Turkey that covers the entire Middle East. The old days of waiting for Washington to save the day are over. Safety no longer depends on the politics of the West. No more waiting for Washington to save the day. A new local power is here, a self-contained God. The Gulf is finally holding its own keys.